Hello everyone. In today's video, we will walk you through the steps to upload internal grades for Class 12 students on the CBSE portal. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the CBSE portal. First, open the CBSE website by typing www.cbse.gov.in into your browser or simply search CBSE on Google. On the CBSE homepage, you will find a section called Pariksha Sangam. Click on that. Then click continue. Now look for the schools tab and click on it. You will see 6 different options here. From these, select the exam activities button. Step 2. Selecting Class 12 Internal Grade. Once you are in the exam activity section, you will find multiple options. The first option will be Class 12 Internal Grade. Click on that. A login window will pop up. Step 3. Logging in. Here enter your LOC credentials along with the security pin and click login. This will take you to the internal grade upload Class 12 2025 dashboard. You are now ready to begin the process. Downloading the internal grade file. The first step on the dashboard is to download the internal grade file. Click on the download internal grade file button. You will see a download button. Click it to save the file to your computer. Once the file is downloaded, open it. You will find a spreadsheet with columns for student roll numbers and subject codes. Step 5. Filling in grades. Now it's time to fill in the grades for each student. You will see a 10-point scale for grading. Simply select the appropriate grade for each student. If a student was absent, mark them as A, B. Complete this for all the subjects, and once you are done, don't forget to save the file. Step 6. Uploading the internal grade file. Next, go back to the CBSE portal and click on the Upload Internal Grade option. Here you will see an Upload button. Select your saved file and click Upload. Once the file is uploaded, you should see a message confirming that the upload was successful. Step 7. Generating the internal grade list. Now let's move on to the final step. Click on the Generate Internal Grade List option. You will now see a Generate List button. Click that to generate the final list. Make sure to verify all the data once again to ensure everything is correct before finishing the process. And that's it. You have now successfully uploaded the internal grades for Class 12 students. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck.